What's up, people? These are the scenes just before the sunrise here in Riyadh. And well, your brother is running on 3 hours of sleep. I had to go at night to work, but well, right now I slept a few hours, 3 hours or something, but now I'm going back to work. So, well, join me on this drive. So, I'm going to be using the King Fahad Road and then the Makkah Road. But check out these scenes in the neighborhood of Muhammadiyah. And we shall also see the situation of the traffic on the main road. That car is flat on the back tire. Going to the King Abdullah Road. The time is just 5 a.m. right now. In front you see the orange this metro train station, that dome which you saw. And today the sunrise in Riyadh seems more captivating, but however I've seen better sunrises here in Riyadh captured on video. The one you are seeing right in front of you, well, in actual I see it's more spread out, and on the video you might be only seeing it at the edge of the horizon. But wow, this is also majestic. Check out that golden sunrise. Let us take the right turn towards King Fahad Road. Now you see the Kingdom Tower on the left in front of us. Wow. There isn't much traffic. If you commute around these times where you don't face the rush hour traffic, you are blessed. Well, everyone is cruising above 90 kilometers per hour. This is the King Fahd Road, and do you get it as empty as it is right now? Well, that's the perk of commuting to work quite early in the morning. This is Makkah Road, by the way. Now we are exiting the Makkah Road to go on to the Prince Turki Road. The signal light is green, but it just turned red. Check this out, it just turned red. So, well, that's pretty much it. What do you think? Was there reasonable traffic or less traffic than you have seen on the King Fahd Road? Well, to me, it's quite convenient to commute at this time because it saves me a lot of time. So if you watch the video till here, stay blessed, have a very good one, and we move on the green light. We'll see each other in the next video.